Okay, so it's 12:16 right now. I think I should start. Yes, Shabana.
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay, okay. So you all can see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, okay. Fine. So let me start with day 3 PPT. Okay. So we will study about packages in R. So R packages are a collection of R functions, compiled code, and sample data. Means in R packages, there are some functions. For example, when I suppose I install a package named MATLAB. Okay. Then I have to install it using some command. After installing it, I have to make it use. Okay. So to make it in use, I have to again use a particular command. Okay. And then whatever functions are there in that package, they are then ready to use. Okay. So for example, just an illustration. Please go to R Studio right now. Okay. So this is a new script. Okay. So first of all, my screen is visible, right, to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just see this package is written. Can you see this package is written? Where my mouse is? Can you see this?
Nothing is there. We can't see the packages written. It is only a cursor blinking.
You can see my screen, right?
We can see our studio screen having 4 quadrants.
Okay. Please see the
on right hand side, box plot on 4th. But,
okay. Yeah, box plot on 4th, and just above that you can see help,
yes,
files,
help.
plots, packages, help, viewer, presentation.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, fine. Now in packages, just click that packages. Okay. Okay, so you get a list of packages, right? You're getting a list of packages?
Yes.
So like in my computer, since I have been using it, I have installed certain packages. Now just down the command with me in your script. So is it visible? Just write this command. Installed dot packages and this packet and just run it. Now running it means either select it or bring the cursor completely on the right side or bring the cursor on the left side extremely and press Control and Enter. Okay, so I'll not select it. I'll press Control and okay, to run this. Let us see that.
Just write installed dot package.
Yes, installed dot packages.
Packages.
Yes. So I get this list of whatever packages are installed in my version of R. Okay. It includes already installed packages also and whatever I have installed online also. Okay, so do you get this type of output?
We get the list.
Yeah, yes, you get the list like ask parks, assert that, get names, right? So if you see
survival stat 4.
Yes, it is alphabetical order.
Yes, it seems to be.
So I'll be needing certain packages. So use certain functions. So let us learn how to install a particular package. So I write install dot package, this command to install a new package, and whatever package I want to install, I'll put it in quotes. It can be single, it can be double. Okay. And now I run it. If I run it, MATLAB package would be installed online. Okay. So all of you install this package MATLAB.
Is it licensed?
Okay. What? So did you run this? Yeah.
The same kind of warning is coming.
So after the warning, the package would be installed, and they'll also tell where it is installed, like in my computer.
Is it showing somewhere on the panel that it is being installed? Some kind of a sign.
It gets it gets actually whatever you're installing on the console, you can get the status of that.
How do we know that it is installed? Because it is saying package, lib path, version, priority depends, import, linking to, suggest, enhances, license. License is FOSS. I didn't get the meaning.
Okay. Just wait for some time. Is it coming like the way it's coming on my computer?
Yes.
Is something in red color coming? See, it gives the information package MATLAB successfully unpacked and MD5 sums. This type of information.
I am not getting it.
Okay, install. You have.
Ma'am, it is showing package MATLAB is not available for this version of R.
Acha, it is installed, not installed.
Yes, okay. Yes, it's installed. Earlier, okay. Whatever is installed is installed.
Yes.
Right, install dot packages. Okay.
Still getting the same thing.
Ma'am, I'm getting whatever you have got.
Okay. Okay, you try again. Welcome, ma'am.
It is. I just have to write install dot packages within within bracket MATLAB.
But MATLAB should be in quotes.
Yeah, in quotes, single quotes.
And small MATLAB. Are you writing small MATLAB?
Yes.
Okay. So now just run this line.
Same thing is coming again and again. Okay. Do I have to write again something in MATLAB or something? No,
just write the. Is my screen visible to you? Like whatever I have highlighted, just write that. One thing we can do, we can like if you send on WhatsApp.
It's okay. There is no gap between.
So who all have been able to install the package MATLAB?
Sir, me.
Okay, Shabana, you have installed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have shared a picture on the group. Please check it once.
Okay, wait. I'm checking. It's there. Okay, Dipanshu. Okay, install.packages MATLAB. Okay. So, just warning, your library satisfied. Okay, have you downloaded for? Yes, you've downloaded 4.2.2. It's not available for this version of R. Okay, you do one thing, just run this command again. Install.packages MATLAB.
Yes, I have done it 2-3 times.
Okay, acha, you have done it 2-3 times. Okay, what about Alka ma'am?
Is showing a version of this package for your version of R might be available elsewhere. See the detail set.
Okay, what you do right now, you do this command. Look, MATLAB is a package, but it's okay if you are not getting it. You run this command for the time being. Okay. Can you see this command?
Yes, yes.
Just run it. I want to see whether in your computer these packages are getting installed, other packages are getting installed or not.
So I just run install.packages. That's it.
And MATLAB also. You have to write MATLAB.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I am working from my car, so sorry.
Okay, I have shared the command and highlighted that in the WhatsApp group. Just run that command. Okay, so Dipanshu, are you able to install dplyr package?
Still, it is showing the same thing.
Okay. What about other students? Are they able to install this package, dplyr?
Yes, ma'am, it's showing this successfully unpacked and MD5 subject, like MATLAB is successfully unpacked.
We have let us try to install certain packages which we need in further classes. Okay, so there's one package. I'm just we will spend some time in installing and migrator. Okay.
Yeah, it's written that package MATLAB is not available for this version of R.
Okay.
Same thing I'm getting.
Same thing you are getting, but you have all of you have installed 4.2.2, right? Just run this command also for the people who are able to. I remember sometimes these things take time also. Even when I was studying, it took me one day to install the package. Some sort of errors come, so we have to keep on trying this.
Okay.
Okay, so error in install.packages migrator. Migrator is fine. Error in install updating loaded packages. Just a second. Yes, install.migrator spelling is fine. One or more package. Okay. So sometimes installing many packages at the same time also causes a problem. Like
it happened in my computer, I think. 2 are installed. I can see 2 windows.
Okay.
So let me try on this one.
Yes, you can try on any package.
So it is first I have to write installed packages.
Installed packages is a command to see what all packages are available. Since you have already seen, you don't need to
No,
write.
I'm not, now I'm doing it on the another window.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Install.packages is one command which you should know that how to see whatever packages are installed. Okay.
But this particular window is not showing me run. It is 4.2.2, but I can't see run.
Okay, once it happened with me also, you just open a new file. Okay. Open a new file and I think on that run would be available.
Okay. Yes, it is there.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I think it is opened. Package MATLAB successfully unpacked, and they have given a path.
It is open.
This is given a path.
Right.
It is in 4.2.2 only. The earlier one, it's not doing in that. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you had two versions of R installed, right?
That one I installed myself before the workshop through that link.
I got it. So, Dipanshu, are you sure you're working in 4.2.2 version?
Yes, it is 4.2.2 version.
And so then it should be installed. But never mind if it is not installing. You can try it again. You'll get it installed. Okay. So when I have installed this MATLAB package, to make it in use, I'll use this command library MATLAB. Okay. And I run it. Okay. And I can check whether a number is prime or not. Okay. Is that okay?
आप खुद देख लेते, मैंने तो देख. You are checking whether number 78 is prime or not.
Yes.
Okay. So why is prime?
Is prime.
Okay. Yes. Is prime. Okay.
Yes. Now, when I check is prime 78, it gives me the answer 0, but I want answer in true or false.
True, false. So logical. So
I just converted this 0. You know that if you have 0, if you take it as an argument in as.logical, it will convert it into false. And anything non-zero as an argument in as.logical would be true. Okay.
Ma'am, is there any way to check that which version I am using right now?
Yes, there is a way. Just see the icon on the desktop of the version of R installed. There you'll see. There the version is written.
The version of R is written 4.2.2. The version of R Studio is not written.
Okay, version of R Studio that doesn't have a version. I gave you the link to install that. And there was R Studio for 64-bit. There were those options when we installed that.
Right now we are working on the R Studio, na?
Yes, but for that we need availability of R also. So that's why I was saying that 4.2.2 is used.
Yes, it is 4.2.2.
So, how many participants are there right now?
21.
Okay, and how many are able to install the package? Can I get the answers? Like Dipanshu has not been able to install.
Ma'am, I am able to, like,
Okay.
it is showing that what is showing to you false, true, and all. So it's working.
Okay, for Anjali, it's working. What about others? For Pratibha, is it working?
It's okay, ma'am. You can proceed further. I'll learn how to install
Yeah,
from Sabana only
you
and
just
Painter.
have to sit and spend some more time and see
Sure.
where the problem
Some
is there.
mates are
Maybe you have sometimes problems are resolved if you restart the computer. Sometimes problems are resolved if you uninstall and install again. Art Studio I'm talking of. So these things are handled with time. Okay. So just
sure.
try for. I think today you'll handle it.
So when you write library within bracket MATLAB, do we have to run that also?
Yes. Running that is important. Otherwise, if you don't call library MATLAB, if you don't write this command, this prime function would not be recognized.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
it happened. Okay.
right. Okay. So installing a package is not sufficient. Calling it also has to be there done. Okay. Otherwise, there'll be an error and won't recognize that. Okay. So just install packages. One more package I'm asking you to install right now. Let me run it. So it is also installed. So all of you, please install this package. The name of the package is Praise.
The packages.
Small p,
Praise.
R-A-I-S. Yes. Yes.
Within quotes, we have to write.
Yes.
Okay, it is successfully unpacked.
Okay.
Fine.
And now call it to library. Okay.
Library.
Yeah. And when you use library, you don't need to write the codes. Okay. So now you run it. Okay.
Yes.
So now you run this command, praise bracket. Can you guess what would be an output of this command? See, one of you can guess before running it.
Which command?
Can anyone tell me the output, speculative output of this command praise bracket without running it?
It give me it give you what is the syntax of praise?
No, I am just saying praise bracket. What output can it give? Can you think of that?
Ma'am, we are using phrase in the.
No, not phrase. It's praise.
Praise.
P-R-A-I-S.
Yes, ma'am, praise.
Think about yourself.
Yeah. If you see the output of this command, kindly run it.
Yeah, we are getting you are fine.
You are fine. I'm getting your mind blowing.
I'm getting you are awesome, inspiring.
So it's telling you about yourself, right?
Yes,
And you run it 3-4 times and just know about yourself. So Alka ma'am, are you able to run it?
Yes.
So what did you get? The output?
Nothing. I think I have used the wrong syntax. Actually, I'm working. Just a minute. I have to switch to. Okay, there is a quotes also. Right.
Where is the quotes? In install.packages?
No. When you are checking the praise library, then
library
you have to
praise
put quotes.
Library praise is not in quotes, okay? And then praise, then bracket.
Then. It's coming, you are wondrous.
So this package tells you about yourself, okay?
Nice one.
So whenever you are feeling somewhat disappointed, you can run this package many a times.
Great.
Right?
Thank you.
Okay, so it was just, this is an inbuilt package in R, and I was trying to tell you how to install a particular package and how to then call it and then how to use it. Now, to install MATLAB, we use this command install.packages MATLAB, then we called it. Then we used isPrime function. Now, actually I was checking whether we can check a number is prime or not. So when I did that, I googled a command, isPrime came, but then isPrime when I used, it didn't show me the output. So something came in my mind and I again googled and said that isPrime function is available in which package. Okay, so when you are a regular user of R, slowly you'll come to know about what all packages are there, what all functions are there, and how you can access the function by using a particular package. Okay, so this I wanted to tell you. Okay, so we have a list of packages available with us, and we'll be using certain packages. We'll be using a package called ggplot2. Okay, so we'll install again one package, install.package packages.
Yesterday we used one Plotrix. That was also a package.
Yes. So we will do that. That code, we'll do it again so that we all are on the same page. Okay. So I'm writing ggplot2. Okay. So let me install it. Actually, I already have this package in my version. So all of you, to understand ggplot package, we have to install it first. So please run this command. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Will it come in single quote?
Double, single, anything is allowed. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now, since I already have these packages, so So this type of command is coming. Okay, doesn't matter. All of you, please install it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so tell me, all of you have installed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so just call this package library ggplot. Okay.
Ma'am, in my case, it is unable to be get installed. It's showing packages, libpath, path version, priority depends, import, linking to suggest enhances, license and all. It is not showing successfully installed also.
Okay. Anything else is coming? On the
Installed
last line.
packages. I'm just clicking a pic and sending it on group.
Yes, yes.
You can see.
Please do that. Okay, so it's on our official group. Okay, दीपांशु ने किया. अच्छा, एक बार शबाना आप send करो. So what about other people?
I could able to.
Okay. Okay, so installed dot packages is fine. ggplot2 is fine. Install लिखना है. अब आप इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो ना, आप इंस्टॉल्ड पास्ट टेंस है, ठीक है, तो ईडी को रिप्लेस करो, मतलब रिमूव करो, इंस्टॉल लिखना है. गेटिंग यू शबाना?
Ma'am, when we'll run it, what will we get? I'm just getting in.
You have got install.package ggplot2. Then in the console window, you will get an information that this package is unpacked. Meaning is
I have got.
Then you have to call this package through library ggplot2. Okay.
Yeah, that also I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
like
this means this package is ready to use. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, apart from ggplot, we see TRS, RLeg, life cycles, CLI are also unpacked.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Now all of you install this package. Install.package. Okay. You have to use the right spelling. Not installed. Install. And the package name is MagWriter. Okay. Now why we are installing MagWriter? We are installing MagWriter to use pipe operator, which cannot be used or even identified without this package. So MagWriter is a important package for pipe operator. Okay. So I'll tell you in the meanwhile, after some time, I'll tell you about pipe operator, because pipe operator is something we'll be needing in studying ggplot, dplyr, tidyverse. Okay. So install this MagWriter also.
Double TR.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's showing a version of this package for your version of R might be available elsewhere. See the ideas at CRAN R project.
No, it came in my when I was downloading, then also it came. You download it again, or you close your close all the windows, open again and try it. Okay.
Restarting our brand.
Ma'am, when you told to install this previously also, then only at that time only I had run this. So I don't think I need to rerun.
Yeah, you don't need to rerun, but when we use pipe operator will call this package because now it is available. Now you, in the meanwhile,
just a one query. When I installed migrator, so if there is a alert came, one or more packages cannot be. So you have to reinstall. Are you interested? Yes, no.
Just write down. You have to
चलो अब तो वो
reinstall.
चली गई विंडो.
अच्छा, अभी जैसे Dr. Geetan is asking me, just see your packages, migrator should be there. Okay, migrator should be there. So just go to packages in the 4th quadrant. You can go on packages and see that whatever you have installed are showing up. Okay, like in my version, this dplyr is showing, right? Dplyr is showing.
So can I read again? It is alert is one or more of the packages to be updated are currently loaded. Restarting R prior to install is highly recommended. R Studio can restart R before installing the requested packages. All work and data will be preserved during restart. Do you want to restart? What shall I do? Say yes or no?
Yes, yes. You say yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the 4th window, where the packages are coming, my MagWriter is not checked in. Like in front of ggplot2 and in front of MATLAB, I'm getting the tick mark, and in front of Praise also. So that means it is not installed. I can see MagWriter, but it is not checked.
It's okay, but that is showing means that is installed.
Okay, even if it is not checked in.
Yes. It is checked in, meaning is you have called it on library. You haven't called writer.
Okay.
If you library MagWriter, it will be checked in.
Okay, thank you.
You may do that. Okay, you can try that. What to you? Okay. Okay, so should I assume all of you installed MagWriter, MATLAB, Praise, ggplot?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm getting the tick mark in front of MagWriter.
Yeah, because you have called it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so today we'll be doing some exploration of the package ggplot, but tomorrow we'll be doing on tidyr and dplyr. So before coming to the class, please install these 2 packages. So they'll be through this command which I have written on my script editor. So I am also sending the pic. So all of you, before coming to tomorrow's class, so that we don't waste time in installing these packages, please get these 2 packages called tidyr and dplyr installed in your systems. Okay. Is that okay?
Send this on a WhatsApp group also.
I have sent. Please see WhatsApp group. I have sent the pic. Shabana, have you been able to install the package MagWriter?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's working.
Okay, MagWriter is working. So why I stressed on installing the package MagWriter? The reason was we will study today about this operator called pipe operator. Okay. So to make it usable, I asked you to install this package, MAHARAJA. Okay. So all of you, have you installed MAHARAJA, MATLAB, Trace, ggplot2?
I have installed ggplot, but in my fourth quadrant of this, it is not ticked. Shall I tick it myself?
No, it is not ticked. The reason for this is actually it shows that whatever packages is there in your system. It is ticked if you call it through library. Okay. So if you call it through library, it will get ticked. So it doesn't matter. No need of ticking it. When we will be doing it, we'll be working on ggplot. We'll call it and it will automatically get ticked. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So have you been able to install MAHARAJA also?
Yes.
Okay. That is good. So all of us are on.
I will see to it because once it is said it is, but when there was some alert, I said yes to it. Okay. Now it is saying denied. Warning in install packages, restored MAHARAJA. Okay. Downloaded binary package, उसने वो पूरा path दिया हुआ है.
Means it is downloaded. It is downloaded.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me come on to the presentation. Okay. So we are talking about packages in R language. So R packages are a collection of R functions, compiled code, and sample data. They are stored under the directory called library in the R environment. Default, R installs a set of packages during installation. More packages are added later when they are needed for some specific purpose. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. So this is what I was telling you. For accessing a particular function for specific purposes, we can add our packages later. When we start the R console, only the default packages are available. Okay. Other packages which are already installed have to be loaded explicitly to be used by our program that is going to use them. Okay. So they are being called. Okay. Now installing a package. This is what I have told you. The following command gets the package directly from CRAN web page and installs the package in the R environment, install.packages. Then in quote, package name. It can be single, it can be double quote. Okay. From the command library, you can see the packages already installed in the library of R. Okay. So if you only write down this command library, you will see what all packages are there. Okay, through a library also, through that install.packages also same work it will do. Okay, now the packages which we are going to study are ggplot2, which creates elegant data visualizations using the grammar of graphics. dplyr, a grammar of data manipulation, and tidyr, tidy messy data. Okay, so these all we'll be using. After that, we'll be using a pipe operator. Now try to understand the use of pipe operator. So the symbol of pipe operator is percentage greater than percentage. Okay, and now sometimes it's tedious for us to press these buttons because they involve pressing it through shift. Okay, so what we will do is, we'll also study a shortcut from the keyboard, that is Control plus Shift plus M. Okay. So if you do that, that also will generate the same output. Okay. So for example, now how this pipe operator is being used. So pipe, just see what this pipe does, as the name suggests, it pipes into the argument. So when I write pi is the, pi is 3 point something, right? So percentage greater than percentage means this pi constant is piped into the argument of sign. Okay. So instead of writing sine pi, I am writing pi, then pipe operator, then sine function. Okay. So with sine, I am not writing any bracket. So it means the constant pi is piped into the argument of sine. Is that okay? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this, so see this first pipe, then pipe operator, then sine. The output is sine pi, you all of you know, is 0. So I told you it doesn't give 0, but it gives a very, very small value. See, e power minus 16. Meaning is, if you talk about the significant digit, it would be 0. Okay. See the second command. It is pi piped into sine, and then that thing is piped into cos. Right? This constant pi is piped into sine, and you get sine pi. Sine pi is 0, and that 0 is again piped into cos. So that is 1. So the output of this command and the output of this command is same. Both of the commands are same. It is just writing cos bracket sine pi in the pipe operator form. So you are actually composing the functions, right? So you are composing functions cos and sine, right? And the argument you are using is pi. So this is nothing but composing together again and again, right? So do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So
What you
basically,
can do is you can try it on your art studio, right? So just
not
see.
done now.
So whenever, so first of all, since you are using this pipe operator, you have to use library MAHARAJA. Okay. So that means the use of pipe operator will be now, you are making pipe operator usable. Okay. Now I'll write pi, then percentage greater than percentage, right? And I write sine. Okay. And let me see the output. Could not find. I have already called this MAHARAJA. So it is giving me, some people, is it giving you the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting the answer.
Okay.
I
So
already called this MAHARAJA.
okay, I have also got, now you know why I was not getting the answer, because I did not run the library command. Okay, but now I have run it. So you have to run the library command, and then you have to find the value of sine pi. To find the value of sine pi, you are typing pi into sine. Okay. Similarly, I asked you, you can use Control Shift and M also. This is what I used. Okay. Then again, Control Shift M, cos. So just run it. So when you run, you get 1. And what do you get if you write cos, then bracket, sine, then bracket? What do you get at this point? You get same answer. So this is the illustration of pipe operator. Okay. So Shabana, are you running it side by side?
Yes, ma'am.
You're able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. And what about Alka ma'am?
In my case, it is saying it is not installed. I installed again MAHARAJA. It's saying successfully unpacked. Again, I wrote all those library
Okay.
MAHARAJA, but still I'm not getting the answer.
No, have you called library migrator?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you run that also, library migrator?
I did that. Let me do it, huh?
Just run library migrator again, and then only the first command piped into sign.
Okay. Fine. Okay. The same thing. There is no package. There is no error in not find function.
Okay, this meaning is your migrator is not installed.
But it is saying it's saying package MAHARAJA successfully unpacked.
Then
And
it is
MD5
but I doubt whether you have run this command.
Library, when you use library, you don't use quotes.
Yes.
And
right.
by और उसके बीच में कोई स्पेस तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं कोई स्पेस नहीं है. लाइब्रेरी है, ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट MAHARAJA, then bracket over.
I will see to it. You can go ahead.
Okay. So I just wanted to tell you that R is a data analysis software. So a lot of data is already there in R, and we can see that data through the command data bracket. So all of you run this command data bracket, and you will see what all list of data are there in R. Okay. Just run this command, and you get this data sets in package. Say data of air passengers.
Yes.
Monthly airline passenger numbers 1949 to 1960. Then BJ sales data with leading indicator. Then BOD biochemical oxygen demand. Then CO2 carbon dioxide uptake in grass plants. Okay, so a lot of data is available in R, right? Like growth, the effect of vitamin C on tooth growth in guinea pigs. Okay, so, and then there is this data called empty cars. That is motor trend car road test. So you can see all the data through the command data bracket, right? Now, why I'm doing this is because there is something called cheat sheet available. Now, what is cheat sheet? Suppose we have a particular set of data which is very okay. So to organize data, since lot of samples are there, and our community has already done work on that sample data, so cheat sheets can be used to cheat sheets, I'll say, because the name of the things would be different, but the data would be more or less according to, if there is some data available, there'll be some sort of similarity, and you can use those cheat sheets to find the relation between your data and data already available in R. Okay, so let's see the data empty cars. Now, when I want to see a particular data, I'll just write what is empty cars. Okay, empty cars is a data in R, so it will show me certain output. Okay, it will show me in the fourth quadrant the description. The data was extracted from 1974 Motor Trend US magazine and comprises fuel consumption and 10 aspects of automobile design and performance of 32 automobiles. Okay, so it is a data frame. Now all of you know what is a data frame, right? So it is a data frame with 32 observations on 11 numeric variables. Meaning is कुछ cars हैं और उनका MPG miles per US gallon, then number of cylinders in those cars, displacement, gross horsepower, rear axle ratio, weight, etc., etc. All these, number of forward gears, number of carburetors, all this is given in data form. So if we want to view that empty cars, so we'll use command view empty cars.
Ma'am, I'm not getting empty car.
Empty cars question mark lagaya?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not getting anything?
Yes, ma'am. It's so no documentation for empty car is specified packages and libraries. You could try ... empty cars. Sorry, question mark, double question
Capital
mark.
empty cars तो नहीं use किया?
No, ma'am.
Small empty cars है?
Yes, ma'am.
So this means there is some package which has the information of empty cars which is not in your version, right? This means this thing only. So what you can do is you can Google that which package should be installed to access the data of empty cars. That you can do.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then you will be able to know in which package the data of empty cars is there. But I'm showing the data on empty cars on this.
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting.
Okay, you are getting, fine.
Mazda, Datsun, Hornet, Valiant, Duster, Mercedes.
Yes. So this is a data frame with 32 observations on 11 numeric variables, right? So if you see, the first car is Mazda RX-4, then Mazda RX-4 WAG, then Datsun, then Hornet Sportabout, Valiant, Duster, Mercedes, then different versions of Mercedes, then Cadillac, Lincoln. So this is the data, right? And what information you have about these cars? That what is the MPG? How many cylinders it has? What is the displacement? How many horsepower? Right? How much rear axle ratio? What is the weight? So weight is in 1,000 pounds. So all this information is given. So Anjali, are you able to get data about empty cars?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So what about your friend Shabana? She has not been able to
She's
access.
also getting, ma'am. She got that data.
Okay, finally she got that. That is good. Okay. Now I asked you to do certain things. I would like you to explore this data empty cars. Okay. Now how to explore it? Let us come on to our presentation. And I have written, first of all, I have written question mark empty cars. This will give you information about empty cars. So is my screen readable? Not much?
It's small.
It's very
No, ma'am.
small.
It's
Okay.
not visible.
Okay, I can understand. So what I am doing is I am sending you the code in the chat box. Okay. And I would like all of you to paste it on the R Studio and run it line by line. Okay. So I'm typing the message to everyone. No. Is it in the form wherein you can copy? Is the data in the form you can copy? Or you want something else from me?
Ma'am, can you please paste in WhatsApp group?
Wait. Let me think about something. Okay, just a second. Mm. So this is what I have shared with you in the chat. Is the text coming in the chat?
Ma'am, from the chat box, I'm unable to copy it. So
Okay,
better to
that's
send it
what
on
I wanted
WhatsApp
to
group.
know. No,
It
I
is
can solve the
image actually.
problem. Wait. Let me solve the problem. Uh, so this is my screen visible to you. Let me just wait. So this is Pi challenge. This is day 2.1. Okay. So let me cross it. Okay. Right now I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll share with you the data on the chat from where you can copy paste. Okay. So that I'll do right now. Just give me time. Yes, here it is. Okay. Okay. Control C. Now I want you all to execute the code line by line. Okay. So that I'll do. Just a second. Yeah. So in the chat, I'm writing the code now. Okay. So please copy it and paste it on the R Studio. Okay. And let me share my screen. So when I share my screen, I'll also paste with you. Okay. So I'm on Control+V. Okay. I have pasted. Can you all see this? So have you all pasted from the chat box to the R Studio?
Ma'am, can you please share it on WhatsApp group, please?
Look, the problem is that I can do one thing. Wait, I can.
Actually, ma'am, I am taking your class through my mobile phone and I'm working on my laptop. So I am
Yes.
unable to copy paste there.
Okay. Then I am searching for some other option for you. Wait. Okay, I'll just open up my email ID, because on email I'll be able to then access it through my mobile phone. Okay. Just a second. I'll just paste it here. Okay. And now it's in my drafts. Okay. And now through drafts, I'll share with you. Okay. So from my mobile, wait. Drafts. Okay. Wait. Yes. Here it is. Select all. Then copy. Then on the WhatsApp group, I'm sharing. Okay. R official. Yes, here it is. From the WhatsApp, please copy it. Copy it in R Studio. Okay. Okay. So now, just tell me, are you able to paste it? Gideon, you have pasted? Who has pasted? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'll paste it.
Okay. So because when you paste it,
Pasted.
yes.
I've also pasted.
Okay. So
That-
so just select empty cars. If you don't want to select, you may bring the cursor either on extreme left or on extreme right and run it to control enter. Okay. Or you select it and run it the way I do it. So when I run question mark empty cars, I get all the information about empty cars on the fourth quadrant of the window, right? Of the interface of R. So all of you are able to see that? So tell me about this. Are you able to see empty cars?
Yes,
Shubhana,
ma'am. Yes,
you're
ma'am.
able to see. Okay.
Yes,
Geetan, you're able to see?
Yes.
Okay. Then this by exploring this data of empty cars, we'll be revising all the commands we have done previously through Uday sir or through me. Okay. If you remember, Uday sir told you about str structure command, right? So what is the structure of empty cars? Let us run it and see. Okay. So the structure is, let us see the output. It is a data frame. It has 32 observations of 11 variables. Okay, meaning is there are 32 types of different models of car, right? And it has 11 variables, which are MPG, cylinder, displacement, horsepower, DRAT, weight, and etc. Okay, so you all can see the structure of empty cars, right? Now, see this command head empty cars. What does it mean? It means head means the initial 6 commands, initial 6 rows. Tail means the last 6 rows. So let's run head empty cars. It means only first 6 rows will be shown as data because data is very big. So just to have a look over the data, you can see it is giving the data about first 6 cars only: Mazda, Datsun, Hornet, Valiant, right? And if you want to see the last 6 cars, so you see, you use it through tail function. Okay, so these are all inbuilt functions of R. Okay, so there are so many inbuilt functions, right? And now you did about data frames. So how to know how many rows are there, how many columns are there? You will run through dim empty cars, that is dimension empty cars, and run it 32 cross 11. 32 rows and 11 columns. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So this is how you explore the data, because R has got lot of data. Okay. Now names empty cards will give you all the names of columns. Okay. So just see, you got all column names. Then row names, you'll have to write row names. Now when you write row names, you get list of 32 car models, right? And you can see that list. Is it right? So row names also you can see. So how these row names are given: Mazda RX-4, then Mazda RX-4 WAG. On the next line, third element, then fourth element, Hornet, then fifth element, Hornet again, then sixth element, Valiant. So you have to be handy with all these things. Okay, how to get row names, how to get column names, right? And if you want to see the data of empty cars, of this column cylinder. How will you access? To see a particular column, you will write empty cars, then $sign, then the name of column. Then that column will appear. So just see, I am running empty cars $CYL. CYL means a cylinder. So number of cylinders ranging from 4 to 8, right? So these cars have, first car has 6 cylinders, second car has 6 cylinders, third car has 4 cylinders, and so on. Is that okay?
Yes. Okay.
So to see a particular column, this is, if I ask you to find the or to display the column of empty cars with horsepower, HP. So what will you do? You'll write empty cars $HP. So just write down that and see what's the output. So I write empty cars $HP. Okay. So when I run this, I get all the data from the column of HP. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now suppose I want to find mean of the carburetors. Okay. I want to find, just a second. So just run this command. I'll tell you about it. Okay. So let me mute myself.
Got it. Got it.
So if I want to find mean of the carburetors, what I'll do, I'll use the function mean, then empty cars $carburetor. That will give me the mean number of carburetors. Is that okay? Is that okay? So just see, after running this command, what do you get? The mean of the carburetors is 2.8125, right? If I want to sort the data of cylinders in increasing order, meaning is 4 should come first, then 6, then 8. Let me do that. And then sorting of this whole data would be done. And you see, you have sorted data of empty cars. Cylinder means cylinder column would be sorted. Okay. Cylinder column from empty cars would be sorted. And the sorting is in increasing ascending order till we specify. Okay. Okay. If I want to find the mean, variance, lot of things like summary, it will calculate the minimum, the maximum, the first quartile, the third quartile, the median. Okay. Just see, if I run summary empty cars, it will give me the, it will give me the minimum, maximum, first quartile, third quartile, second quartile, that meaning is median, then mean of every column. Now, of all columns, meaning is PG, cylinder, displacement, HP, drat, weight, Qsec, VS, AM, gear, carb. It will give all the statistical parameters which you want to know. So summary calculates minimum, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and maximum. So are you able to do this much? Yes, Shabana? Okay. Shabana, are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you're at home, you please run the commands from serial number 14 to 24. Okay, and all these commands have already been discussed. Okay, so kindly do this on your own as homework, and I'll stop because it's 1:30. Okay, I'll share today's PPT also, but I have to start ggplot. So tomorrow it's better for me to share, though I can share today also. We could not be able to start ggplot because of the shortage of time. Okay, so we'll be starting in tomorrow morning session. Okay.
Okay, thank you so
In
much.
the meanwhile, you carry out. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Welcome.
Brinda, for the wonderful session.
Okay.
Now you all can leave the meeting. Thank you so much. And the feedback form for the today's session will be provided on the group, and please fill it out.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.